आप अपने बच्चों के काफ़ी क्लोज है, उससे पहले भी आपने उनकी फरमाइश पर दावल जैसी फिल्म भी बनाई थी, सुपर हीरो फिल्म। इस बार क्या आर्यन और सुहाना की तरफ से कोई इनपुट था जब आप किरजानिया जैसे कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ आए, और क्या उनकी तरफ से कोई ऐसी खास फरमाइश जो आपने किरजानिया में रखी हो?
जब मैंने should I answer this in English so Javier understands? Okay, I'll say it in English. It's okay. एक्चुअली किड्जानिया का इंट्रोडक्शन मेरे को मेरे बच्चों के थ्रू हुआ था दुबई में। एक दिन हम शाम को मॉल में गए थे और हमारे दोस्त कुछ एसोसिएटेड थे किड्जानिया के साथ, तो उन्होंने कहा बच्चों को यहाँ पे छोड़। हम 1.5 घंटे के लिए छोड़ने गए थे उनको, वो 8 घंटे तक वहाँ रहे। अगले दिन फिर से गए और बहुत एक्साइटेड थे पूरे कॉन्सेप्ट से, तो मैंने जाकर उसको देखा। और मैंने ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट बचपन में ऐसे मेलों में ऐसा हम सोचते हैं हमारे देश के अंदर हर जगह पे कि कहीं पर रोल प्ले, आप अगर आपका छोटा सा बच्चा है तो घर के अंदर कभी नर्स बन जाता है, कभी एक्टर बन जाता है, कभी बैटमैन बन जाता है, कभी सुपरमैन बन जाता है, कभी फायर फाइटर बन जाता है, कभी कुक बन जाता है। एंड दैट आइडिया टू टेक फॉरवर्ड एंड मेक समथिंग लाइक दिस, मैं उससे बहुत अमेज था। एंड देन थिंग्स जस्ट फेल इनटू प्लेस, यू नो। कहते हैं ना किसी चीज को जब दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात को उससे मिलाने की साजिश करना चाहती है। I met Paras, who had the franchise, who had already spoken to Mr. Javier, and everything just fell into place. And like, अगर the good part is Singapore Airlines, जो Paras आ रहे थे उसमें मेरी हिंदी फिल्में थी, otherwise शायद नहीं होता। So I'm just very happy that I got part of it because of my children. I have never ventured into anything that my children don't like. I was just telling them backstage that, you know, whenever there is a new business opportunity, it normally stems from my children. So I'm glad I've been able to do this.
इंडिया में पहला स्टोर है किरजानिया का, तो हम आपके शायद दिल्ली में कब इस स्टोर को देखने वाले हैं और कहाँ कहाँ पे किरजानिया के स्टोर्स आने वाले दिनों में देखने?
जैसा पारस ने बताया, ये हमारी दुनिया है, ये स्टोर नहीं। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टोर और एस्टैब्लिशमेंट्स उनको बोलते हैं, वो है। और इट्स अ रिक्रिएशन ऑफ द रियल वर्ल्ड स्केल डाउन टू चिल्ड्रन साइज, so when they grow up they are able to face the world in a better way, socialize, interact, have a sense of what it is going to be in real time instead of just amusing themselves by playing video games, which is also a good thing. I played myself, but I think it's a very interactive and an amazing concept. As far as explained, the next few places we are looking at are in Delhi. So like you said, maybe 2015 inshallah, and Bangalore is being also looked at. And wherever we get the opportunity, one of the challenges is to recreate Mr. Javier's vision everywhere, exactly the way he wants it. All his team, training all the boys and girls here, so everything is to the T, because this genuinely is his baby. So it should not divert from there. Having said that, he's been kind enough whenever we have ideas of localizing it. That's the whole reason for the franchise that we saw. So we'll bring in some Bollywood, of course, 100% will come, that I'll fight for. But a lot of other things that will happen which will have a local attraction. So in Mumbai, like our kids speak Hindi, Marathi and English. The boys and girls are going to look after everything. So apart from the language, even the cultural aspects we brought in, and Delhi 2015 inshallah, and Bangalore, and we would like it to be everywhere, as many places. The challenge is the space, indoor space in malls. So you really have to specifically look for that place because we really want it to be exactly how Mr. Javier's vision is. So yeah, you need a minimum of 75,000 to a lakh square feet. This is about 75,000 plus place now, what you're standing in. It has to have the airiness, the feel of real world and happiness. So we are looking at places, and Delhi, like I said, yeah, like Paras said, hopefully by 2015, right?
Sir, most kids have different interests. आपकी सबसे वो 3 चीजें कौन सी होंगी जो you would want every kid to learn? Qualities or things?
I don't know. Excitement-wise, when I went here, and today they say they may allow me to test it, is the firefighting part. You know, that's one thing that I don't know. We never get to. We see them. They're heroes. It's very interesting. It's red in color. We hear the clang, 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 clang. We know everything about firefighting. But, and God forbid, we have to ever see it. Hope it never happens. But it's an experience that I think as a kid I would have liked to have had, which it seems I may have today, dousing out a fire. The second part is, I don't know if there is some kind of a cooking aspect, you know, because this is gender neutral or friendly. Boys and girls can come, get equal pay in this world for equal jobs. There's an amazing amount of equality. And I think it's not a girl thing to cook, I think it's a boy's thing to cook also. So I'd like to participate in that. And then there is this whole area of, I don't know how to explain it. I would like to have this television one here and radio station where you can shoot yourself or make a program, record it, perhaps have access to it. You have to take jobs here. You have to earn money and then utilize it in other places or buying things for yourself. So it's a learning process like that. So these are the 2-3 places, and whenever we get Bollywood in, I'd like to get a good role in a film in Kidzania.
We have already reserved the role for him.
शाहरुख कितना different होगा और business prospects से?
See, let me tell you, and I'll let the business part of it be answered by Sanjeev Paras. I'll tell you honestly, in terms of difference or in terms of competition, I think every aspect, wherever a family can go together, adults are not allowed to participate in the activities. They can watch their kids do it through a looking glass, or they have a lounge here where they can rest. Kids are very safe. They have bracelets. There's a Wi-Fi system in the lounge. Parents can leave them here. The boys and girls, 300 of staff is there to look after them in every aspect. But any place where family likes to go together for the children, whether it's a zoo, whether it's a museum, whether it's a theme park, it's a water theme park, or so many, or just a walk in the mall or in the park. But the difference here, and not a competitive difference, there is a difference here that this is going to teach you hands-on and educate you at the same time for preparing you for the real world in a fun sense. Zoo is fantastic. If you're going to ride a zebra one day, God bless you. And a theme park is really nice. You take those thrilling rides. I go there myself. And arcades are wonderful. To keep on putting pennies in a slot and playing a game and have a high score. But where does something entertain you as much with your parents watching over you or not watching over you, which might be the clinching point here, and learn about the world in the funnest way and earn money. The money here is called Kidzos. You have a bank here. You have a passbook. You get into a plane. It's an experience. You can save your money here, come back next time, utilize that money to participate in other activities. I mean, this is a dream world for a kid with imagination. And I think 99.99% of kids are with imagination. So they love it.
शाहरुख आप Bollywood